How to add weather to iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up Settings on your phone. From here scroll down to Find and tap on Wallpaper. Tap on Customize to begin editing the current lock screen. The editor opens showing the time and a dedicated area for widgets beneath it. A faint rectangle is visible under the clock indicating where widgets will be placed. Tap on Add Widgets under the clock to open the Widget Picker panel. A panel slides up with categories and suggested widgets for quick access. You can see small previews that help you choose the layout you prefer. Scroll through the list, then tap on Weather to reveal available weather widgets. Tap on the weather widget style you want to add to the lock screen. It drops into the grid below the time and snaps neatly into position. The widget immediately displays your weather information within the preview. Tap on Done at the top right to save the changes to this lock screen. You return to the lock screen and the weather widget is now visible and active. Following these steps, you can easily add weather to your iPhone lock screen.